Hi folks, this is Rob, and I just thought I'd make this video to remind you all that you should wear sunscreen when you're in the garden. I can tell you this by firsthand experience that I never thought that this would happen to me, but months ago I was diagnosed. I had a melanoma on my neck, and they removed it, and luckily it was like a stage 0 cancer, and didn't spread. Hopefully, they say it didn't spread. And I just want to let you know, I never thought that would happen to me, and I have to have another mole removed soon. This one is not cancerous like the last one, and that one's coming out in October. And I just want to let you know that you should wear sunscreen all the time. You never know. Cancer is not in my family's history, and so I am going to take precautions now, and I'm always going to be wearing a hat when I'm outside, and also putting sunscreen on just to be safe. So try to do the same and take care of yourself. Until the next video, see ya.